Welcome to the cryptoness. Okay, so today we're having quite of a red day. This is because so today it's Monday, Tuesday. So Wednesday the tariffs will kick in, and Thursday officially payments has to be made on those tariffs, because on the third the United States start to cash in all the extra tax charged on Americans from the rest of the world. uh, uh, from any product of the rest of the world that's coming into United States. So Coinbase, we have an ABC for the wave 1, ABC for the wave 2, and now ABC for the third wave. Now the question is this fourth wave has already bottomed? Is it already completed? Yeah, now I start to have some, I don't want to say some doubts, but I need to emphasize a little bit, right? Because we have a three wave down, which, we went below the 0.38 382 fib retracement, so it looks complete, right? The problem is, because it's a diagonal, even the wave up, it's a three wave, right? So is this a wave one, allegedly wave one of this fifth wave in green, or this is just an overshooting wave B that I can see? I mark it here in white, and this is doing the C wave. And if that is the case, then I have an ABC for the wave A, and I have an ABC for the wave B, and now we're going lower within this C wave in yellow. It's here, is it? Yes. And now I did update a little bit my chart. It was a while I didn't update it, and price kept going lower. The 1 and 2 stayed the same. I readjust the third wave because before I was putting it here, and just wanna change this strand here. And if I've done this before, I put the third wave here, and this was well, first of all, it was an A overshooting with B and a C, but we never even broke the trend, right? We only broke it at the end. It's still okay, but that problem also with the structure, like, it looks like a three wave, but, it's really a little bit short. I prefer this one now, and price kept going lower, and I can really now see an A, a B, and a C. So I prefer that. This is what I want. So I go for it, and I put my third wave here. I think this one, I'm going to remove it now. This was the projection A to wave B, and we did reach, almost the wave C. Actually, no, I'm still okay. So this could be the end of this correction now. Also, if I do micro counting, once again, 1, 2, very nice steep 3. Now I can count an A, a B, and a C for this fourth wave. You can see we entered the 0.236. No, normal retracement for a fourth wave. Let me put it in red. And now we're making a new lower low compared to the third one. So that's amazing. The only thing now is start to be a little bit dangerous. It's if I do the fib retracement here of this three wave move up, potentially a wave one, we cannot afford to go much lower and for extended period of time below 161.46. Otherwise, it's going to start to be very unlikely that this is going to happen. And if we go below, what was that, $147, we totally invalidating this structure and this potential wave one. And what we're going to left with, it's just an A overshooting with B and a C. You can see the 1-to-1 ratio already, actually let me put it back so you can see. We already passed the 1-to-1 ratio, wave A, wave C. Let me readjust here so we can have it all in the same. So what is that? I just took the length of the wave A and added to the end of the B wave. So 1-to-1 ratio. You can see it was, I didn't even add it, did I? I know it's there. Oh yeah, because now it's messing up with the other fib. I think this one I can remove now. Anyway, I'm going to leave it. So we did reach it already, and now we're going perhaps maybe to the 1.236, or we're going to stop to $161.56 or under 55.19, and that would be really playing with fire. Otherwise, we only always has the other option, which is we're going to go and reach the 1.618, 120, 82. That's going to be I'm going to be a buyer at this level here, and we're just making a deeper wave C. We still have some room up to 118.34 to not start to compromise the viability of this chart. I know I just want to emphasize, because sometimes people, they believe that, or they think wave 4 cannot go lower. No, it can. It become really, really unreliable, and to ideally, right, if it's following the guidelines, the count, it stays, and probabilities are more or higher that the chart will work out. It's pretty much that. All right, so this is for Coinbase. I'm going to be a little bit faster now. Okay, so hot-head mining. Remember, still have A, B, and I was saying this is a C. We have a 1, 2, very nice tree. And I did say to you guys, I do believe we're going to make a new lower low, local one. And yeah, maybe touching even this uptrend green line. Yeah, so I think we're going there. MicroStrategy also, well, for sure, it's heavily connected or related to Bitcoin now. So it's having a bad time today. Once again, we have A, B, C. We can still go lower to under $12.55. I mean, at that level, I would still buy more. 212, yeah, that's a sweet spot. Also, the 0.618 fib retracement of the latest movement. So 207, 208, 210. Yeah, I'm a buyer on that. I'm going to sneak in NDA. NDA, very nice. Still, working out or fighting. Let's see if he can hold that level. Once again, it's not suggested to go way lower, 0.618. We're far from there. 111. Perhaps, maybe this is ABC and it's going to do, well, once again, this is diagonal, right? So ABC, allegedly maybe even a wave 1, or this is the A, this is the B, and the problem, the B wave didn't go as high, right? So cannot afford to go much lower than 111 to jeopardize the chart. Let me go and check here. Yeah, it's unfortunate. But anyway, for a moment, it's looking very good. Also, we have this downtrend. Maybe this downtrend can act as a support, and perhaps maybe at the 0.5 fib retracement, have a reversal in price and go higher. Nvidia, I am not surprised to see Nvidia making a lower low. I did tell you, I'm expecting that. It did react to the resistance, and now it's going for it. And yeah, so $82. I'm not going to say anything. Honestly, Mara is start to have a nice sweet spot now. 1-to-1 ratio, we are there. A, B, C, this was allegedly wave 1. You can see the fib retracement. Also, now it's getting into these, it's about to reach the 0.5 fib retracement, $10.22. And in a case it doesn't hold that level, we have 0.618, $7.72. That's going to be a very nice entry, I believe. But this cycle, miners are having a really bad time. I already made a comparison of previous cycle and this cycle, really not a good cycle for miners. Hopefully it's going to get better in the last part, at the end of this cycle. Now Tesla really got beaten up heavily, and I'm not surprised. I did tell you I was expecting lower prices, and I don't know why it's not moving. What did I do? Okay, so third wave A, maybe overshooting wave B and still C to come. Or this was an A, B, C for the wave 1 in yellow, wave 2 correction. You can see for the moment it's working out. The only thing is not very, it's looking very good though. It's a 5 wave down, right? So I know I receive sometimes some messages, and sometimes mean ones, you know, when I say 1, 2, this is 3, this is only the 4th, and then we're going to go lower. And I was like, you know, you don't understand anything, and yeah, respect your opinion, but you know, respect mine. Anyway, getting out of subject. So, by the way, it's not even an opinion, it's what I see, okay? So, unfortunately. Now, is this potential 5 wave move down, you know, the end of this correction? Let me check here if IBC, I should just put maybe this in yellow so it's easier to follow. So 3 wave up for the wave 1 in yellow. This is Fibonacci retracement for the wave 2 in yellow. Yeah, no, I mess up with this. Anyway, I'm going to change up after. So I'm expecting a lower low compared to this one that we had before, and I think we're going there. We're not far from it. Let me enlarge here. So the lower low was exactly 218 and we're at 248. So let's see, maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, we will see. And also, you know, to be fair, I did put as well a more bullish count, and I did tell you we need, you know, maybe a 5 way up to see that the momentum is shifting. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. You can see that now wave 4. Let me readjust and give a chance. Diagonal can go lower. Okay, so we are within the area. So don't say I'm only negative on Tesla. This is it though. This 4th wave cannot go much lower than that, and once again it cannot go below the wave 1, otherwise we invalidate the whole thing, and we're, you know, more in line with my 5 wave down. Alright, so this is pretty much all for the stocks for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And for the moment, Discord channel, it's free. You can go and check out. It's just the beginning. I update, you know, some charts. I do some chart updates once in a while, several times per week. You can go and check it out. All right, so once again, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And have a good day. Bye.